Hi, my name is Akash and I'm going to tell you how to set up FreeRTOS for Arduino. So we will go through this four step for setting up FreeRTOS for Arduino. So RTOS means full form of RTOS is a real-time operating system. It is quite different from normal OS. Okay. So now for this we have few steps. First, we have to install Arduino IDE. If you don't have Arduino IDE installed on your system, I request you to install that first. Okay. After that, second is that we have two method for setting up a FreeRTOS for Arduino in Arduino IDE. So we will discuss one by one, and we have to do only one step for this. So first step is by using zip file. We can directly download zip from the link which I mentioned here. I will add this link in the description also. So this is the GitHub link from where you can download FreeRTOS and you can install. So for that, I will tell you the procedure. You can see that you have to open Arduino IDE, then you have to go to Sketch, include library, and after that, you have to click on Add zip library. Then browse to the library where you downloaded and just click open. It will by default get added in your Arduino IDE. And second method is that you have to open Sketch. You have to click Sketch option, then go to this again include library. Then there is a manage library option, and inside that you have to search FreeRTOS. And after searching that, you have to look for appropriate library, like it should mention that this is it should be that should be for Arduino Uno supported, and you have to click on install button. So first of all, I will go through the a example. Okay, so let's go to Arduino IDE. So I have already downloaded that library from that website, that link which I mentioned right now. So first of all, you have to go to Sketch, then include library. After that, add zip library. If you click on this, you will get the new window, and now you can browse. I have already downloaded, so you can see the download folder. There is Arduino underscore FreeRTOS and hyphen master. You can just click on open, and this will get installed. Okay, but I will go through the second method, that is simple one, and it will everyone can understand that method. Okay, so now we'll go through the B. In this method, we have to search and install. Yeah, and keep in mind that you have to either use A or B method. I mentioned that or here. Either you have to follow A procedure or B procedure. Only one is required. We'll go to the through the second method. You have to click on Sketch, include library, and then manage library. Inside that, there is it will take some time to open that manage library option. It will load whatever library you have present, and also you will get a pop-up where you can search and you can uh, uh, click install button. So this is library manager. It will take care of your libraries, whatever you installed and whatever you need to install, you can directly search. Now I'm going to search FreeRTOS. Okay. Now you can see that it is searching. Now you can see that number of results will get displayed. Now you can see that this is the FreeRTOS by Philip Steven. It is going to support Uno, Nano, Leonardo, and Mega. Arduino Uno, Nano, Leonardo, and Mega. So this is the one we can install. We have to select latest version, or you can keep as it is. It will select latest by default. Just click on install. It will take some time. It will take some time, depend on internet speed, sometime and because of computer speed. Okay, now you can see that it is showing that installed. Now we are good to go. We have to close this. Okay, now In the third step and fourth step, we have to verify that installation. First, we will verify either it is installed correctly or not. And first we will verify that is it installed or not. And in the last step, we will verify that is it correctly installed or not by compiling any one example. So we will do this third and fourth step at a time. So go to file. You can go from here example, and you can see that number of example will display here. So you can see that FreeRTOS example is available. That means library is installed. And inside that, you can see that number of examples are already present. You can load an example and you can start editing as per your requirement. So now, for now, we will do one thing. We will open any one example and we will verify, cross verify that is it installed, library is installed properly or not. So for that, I open this, and whatever board you are going to compile, you have to select that board from tools, board, and here. So I'm using Arduino Uno. Sorry, by mistakenly I selected different board. So I am going to use Arduino Uno. So I selected that one. If it is connected, then you have to go to port and then select the COM where it is connected. But now it is not required. So now I will do the verification. That means we are going to compile. You can see below it is showing compiling sketch. It will take some time. It will show is there any error or anything else. If there is error, it will show that. Otherwise it will show that compilation successful. It will take some time. Sometime when you install library, it takes some time to indexing and all. Now it is showing done compiling and there is no error. That means the library is installed successfully. And now thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and like to this channel. I will add a text video related to FreeRTOS. Thank you so much.